temperate zone, yellow part, and red part in both sides. Torrid zones in north side, equator in up, and below torrid zone in south place. And then yellow part is again in south part, temperate zone. You fill these names. And this one also southern pole near frigid zone. So, where is the location of grassland? Here, between the Arctic, here, this is the Arctic circle. Between the Arctic and Tropic of Cancer, these lines, middle part, we call it temperate zone. In northern part or northern hemisphere, and also in southern hemisphere, we call it this line near the frigid zone, Antarctic circle, and Tropic of Capricorn circle. This part we call temperate zone in southern hemisphere. In both sides, we can study or we will know about the grassland of temperate part. We know in this topic location there between in that part between the degrees here identify 66 and half degree in southern and 23 half degrees in southern between these lines, and also in northern hemisphere 23 degree in north and 66 and half degrees in northern hemisphere between the Arctic and Tropic of Cancer, between the Tropic of Cancer and Antarctic circle. Both hemisphere we can find out the some grasslands on the earth. So how there is in a previous class what we learned in about the desert places, which areas they take in direct sun rays there in torrid zone. We learn more things about in previous class or previous topic. But these are different from the desert zone. It means a torrid zone, because these are we called a grassland zone, because winter season these regions are very cold. Winter season these regions are very cold in this part, but summer are short and warm. Automatically they change in climate there, because the lines are near the poles decreasing there in two parts. Sun rays are in first lesson we learn about slanting there, sun rays there in this zone, both sides. And a moderate rainfall. How it is? Rainfall moderate 50 to 70 centimeter occur. So they get more than rainfall in both zones and in both hemisphere. Climate is not suitable for growth of trees. So we can see there so many trees in that places. Cannot trees, so many trees there. Not because situated of climate is not suitable growth of more than trees. But children, grassland areas in particularly you can see here in Europe countries and then Asian continent. So steps there we call that name. Temperate grassland, like temperate zone are called different name of different countries in Northern America, Perigous, and South America, Pampas, and Eurasia steppes, and Australia downs. Australia we call that grassland, particularly names downs, and South Africa. Where is South Africa? South Africa called Welters names, that is here. South Africa in the part of particular grasslands, full of grassland places or continent in particular, that places areas we called these names. Particularly we can see in your textbook this about more things you observe in world map. So plant, what are the type of plants, like how it is there? Trees are planted by farmers, different size, country to country, in continents or countries, other countries. When we compare grasslands, we can see there more different size in their grasslands, because those type of grasslands grow very quickly, and some are dry grasses, or some are very tall in their size, and some are very short in their sizes. And in North America, Perigous region, more rainfall. That grassland take more rainfall, so that places grasses are tall in size. More when their places get the more rainfall, that places grasses are automatically tall in growth, their growth. And Europe we call that name, that grassland steppes. Grasses are very short, and some are how they are different in season wise. They in summer season they are growing very thick, and in autumn season they are growing dry, and we look like a dry grassland. And winter season suddenly some grasslands are very suddenly dry in that places. So all these things we can learn in today's class. More things about the how it is the plant life of grassland, and same like that how it is the animal life of in grassland areas. These are the same like that in previous chapter, how the desert areas animals life and plant lives and peoples how they lived, like that in this chapter. But is different is there. This is the grassland we can see in temperate zone in both sides. So we learn more things in next class.